In today's video I'm going to show you how to download the game The Spell Brigade on PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now what we need to do is basically locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and there we will search up the game The Spell Brigade and select the game. After that, scroll a little bit down and you will find a free demo, of course, but we would like to download this full game. Now what you need to do is basically go to the link in the description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now the next step is to search up the same game, The Spell Brigade. What we need to do now is select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, there is a PC version which can be activated in our country. That is very important, so this text needs to be marked green and then you can select it. Now what you need to do is purchase this game for €8.35 instead of the price of €9.75. So this will save you a bit of money while downloading games online, and you will receive a Steam key. So once you have received the Steam key, you can activate this game through Steam, but a little bit more cheap. So that is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!